I've got a piece of great news for you, a divine invitation, which will rebuild the interior infrastructure of your life, of your soul, to have both capability and capacity. The Lord Jesus says, come to me, all you who are heavy laden and laboring in heaviness, in cares and fears. It's a personal coming. It's an invitation for you to come. But it's for all, regardless of background, economic layer, religious conviction, philosophical ideology. All you who labor, as long as you recognize that your soul is flat and there's poverty in your soul, you'll come to him.